Hello, welcome to Smart School Principal Panel. In previous video, we have seen how to create a parent, student, teacher, and how to promote student to the next level, how to move student to from one class to another class, and how to add additional courses, then how to add the custom feeds for the respective school, then how to add the school courses. Now we'll see how to add timetable for the respective school. So let's start with timetable module. Uh, in this module, just system will redirect us to the timetable panel by clicking on the timetable tab in the left sidebar, and here you can see the system will ask you to add the start and end time of school for the full week. So let's start with it. I will add the school start time, that is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So save the time by clicking on save time button. School week start and end time is set successfully. So now we will add the timetable for third primary class A, sorry, class B, because our student belongs to third primary class B. If we want to check the reflections of the timetable, then student uh, level and class and timetable level class should match. So we will add the timetable for third primary class B. Now click on view timetable button. Now you can say system will ask you to assign the start time and end time for the active weekdays. We can set the active weekdays for the respective level for the respective school by clicking on the set weekdays uh, button, and just click on the select the weekdays by selecting the checkbox. I will select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If you do not select the any one of this and just try to set the weekdays by clicking on set weekdays, then system will give you the alert that error message that please select at least one weekday. And now I will click on set weekdays and set this weekdays for the timetable third primary school working day saved successfully. Okay. Now system will ask you to set the start and end time for the each working day. That is working weekday. So I will assign the start and end time for the Monday. I will assign 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Uh, you have to assign the daytime of start and end time between the school start and end time. If we select the uh, time before the school time, then system gives you the error message that you have to select the start and end time between the school start and end time. So we have to select between the school start and end time, that is between the 10 to 5 p.m. 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I will select 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and click on save time button and click on OK button. System will take time to load. Okay. Now we have to add for each day. So now we will add the school uh, start and end time for the Tuesday. Again, I will add from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I will add this time for all the remaining weekdays. And click on assign link to set the uh, start and end time for the respective weekday. We have given this feature because of for some schools, especially the Saturday timing is different. Or I will select the time, school start and end time for the Saturday from 9 a.m. to from the 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. only, 2 p.m. only. Same time. Okay. Now, yeah, principal can edit the start end time by just clicking on edit icon on the right corner. Here we can edit this timing. Okay. Then we have to set the course limit and teacher limit to assign the lectures. So we will set the course limit first. If we try to add the lecture without assigning the course limit, then system will give us the error message that you have to add the course limit. Wait, I have added the course limit already. Just check the course limit. Yeah, I have added the course limit for the third primary level. For English it is 20, for Urdu it is 20, Science 20, Maths 20, History 15, Geography 15, and Geometry 20, and Physics 20. So by just clicking on, we can edit the course limit. For example, I will edit the course limit for Science. I will add the 15 lectures. According to this course limit, principal can add only 15 lectures of science for all the classes of third primary level. So I will click on save button. Weekly course limit updated successfully. Now by clicking on timetable button, system will we can redirect principal to the timetable panel. Now we have to we have added this lecture, English lecture. Now we will add 2 to 3 lectures more. In Urdu, timing is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Principal can add multiple lectures at a time. Just have to enter the subject name, then start and end time, and click on add period button. Again, I will select math and select the lecture start end time and click on add period button. Now we will set the break time for the school from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and add some more lectures from 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 p.m. Click on create button. the timetable is added for the Monday. Now we can change the lecture sequence by just clicking on Set Period Sequence icon on the right corner for Monday. I will set the sequence of English lecture to the 7th position. So I will set this lecture to at the end of the sequence and set this geometry lecture to the first position. Now click on Save Sequence button. Now we can see the English lecture is replaced with the geometry lecture, and geometry lecture is replaced with the English lecture. The sequence of lectures will get changed by just clicking on Set Period Sequence icon, and we can change the sequence. Now principal can edit the lecture by just clicking on Edit Period icon for the respective lecture, and we will edit this lecture with the we will change the start time for this lecture. 4:30. Save. Mhm. We can see we have edited the lecture timing, that is 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., and lecture time will get edited, updated, and system will adjust the lecture according to the time, that after 4 p.m. the lecture will start 4 to 4:30. That's why the lecture adjust sequence is adjusted according to the timing. So we can set the timetable, or we can add the lectures for all these weekdays. I will add the lectures for Wednesday. So click on assign link, just like Monday. Maths, and 2 to 3 p.m. Wait, I will and break time 3 to 4 p.m. and then history 4 to 5. Add period. Create. I have created the timetable for the Wednesday. Now we can, that means principal can assign the teacher to the lecture by clicking on select faculty link. So we have to click on select faculty to assign the teacher for the respective lecture. So here there is only one teacher for the respective school. and which is the added we have added the English lecture while creating this teacher. So we can select this teacher and click on set faculty button so that this teacher is assigned to the respective lecture. When principal assign the lecture to the respective teacher, system will send the notification to the respective teacher. We can check. That's why it will system will take time to load. That's why we have shown loader over here. Now we can now we can see that the Rahul Shinde is the teacher added for the respective lecture, that is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. for English lecture. Like same we will add the teacher for Urdu. Make sure that while creating teacher you have added that subject, selected that course, so that you can assign that teacher to the particular subject, that means course. Now we can see in teacher panel, uh, when we assign the lecture to the particular teacher, then system will send the notification. We will check that whether system send the notification to the respective teacher or not. First of all, we have to go to the manage teacher panel. We have to check the mail sent on this email ID for the login credentials. We can log in to the teacher panel using these credentials. So let's see. Enter the username and password mentioned in your email. Now, if user, that means the teacher, is the parent, is registered as a parent in our system, then we can system will ask the user to select the role. That is, if you want to log in with parent or if you want to log in with the teacher role. So I will select teacher role and click on submit button. Now we can check the timetable we have added on the left sidebar office hours tab. So click on the manage office hours tab under the office hours tab. See, we have added the lecture English and Urdu for the Wednesday and assigned the respective teacher to the English and Urdu subject. As we can see over here in timetable, we have assigned the Rahul to the English and Urdu subject of third primary B class. Here, teacher can add the study plan for student by just clicking on this plus icon for the respective subject. So teacher can add, we can add the simply text. I will just add the dummy text and click on Save Study Plan button. Text study plan. I'll just click on Study Plan button. Like teacher, our parent can also view the timetable and student as well. So we will check for the student first, as uh, here we have added the two lectures, that is English and Urdu, and assigned the teacher for the same for the Wednesday. We have not assigned the faculty for these lectures, that's why it is showing us that no faculty assigned, no faculty assigned. Principal have to assign the faculty for this lecture so that you student can view the teacher assigned for the particular lecture, like just like this English and Urdu. Let's check. We can see the study plan. The study plan is saved. Student can view this study plan. This is the student panel. Here is our student, which is Tejas. Now he can view the study plan added for the English lecture. Here is the study plan for this lecture. Now, like student can print the timetable and can view the timetable date wise. So if we want date and day wise, so if we select the timetable for 22, then we just have to select the date, and student can view the timetable for the 22nd March 2017 and study plan for that. We have added study plan for only 15 English lecture we do. So we can see the study plan for that day only, that day and date only. Here we will not see no study plan available because the study plan is added only for the 15th March 2017. If we change the date, then student is not able to see the study plan. We have to select the proper date to view the study plan, like this. Now we will move towards student can print the timetable by just clicking on print button, like this, and I can print the timetable. Now, like student, principal, sorry, parent, the parent of the respective student can view the timetable. So let's check it out. We have to log in with the parent. You just need to enter the email ID and password sent in your mail. Using that, parent can log in to the Smart School Parent Panel. Again, if the parent is already registered as a teacher for the same school, then system will ask uh, parent to select the role. So I will select user to select the role, whether you want to log in with parent or teacher. So I will select the parent and click on submit, as we have to log in with parent panel to see the timetable for the respective student. Now parent have to select the kid first to see all the information related to the respective kid. Currently there is only one kid under this parent. If there are more kids under the parent, then here system will show the drop down list of kids. I will select the pages, the only kid, and click on the timetable tab on the left sidebar. Now you can see the timetable, same like student date wise, and you can also view the study plan added for the student by teacher. He can also view the study plan and the whole timetable. Like student parent can also print the timetable just clicking on print button. Okay. Now let's move to the again principal panel. Principal can send notification to the uh, all the students of the respective level and class when he update or add the new timetable. Okay, so the student of this third primary B will receive the notification when principal click on the send notification to student icon given in the right corner. Let's check. Do you really want to send notification to student? Yes, do it. Notification sent successfully to the students. Now we can check the notification to the student panel. Here is the notification. Click on new notifications. Timetable updated notification. When we click on the view details button of the notification, system will redirect us straight to the timetable module and we can see the updates or changes in timetable. That means student. Now when as I told you before, when principal assign the teacher for the respective lecture, then system will send the notification to the teacher also. So we'll check that notification. Click on submit button and click on notifications, new notifications. Here as we have added the Wednesday lecture for 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. for the third primary B, class B for Wednesday, like here. So notification is sent to the respective teacher. Now, like similar to the parent, if we click on the view details button, then system will redirect us to the office hours panels like that. This is our lecture. Now, principal can set the limit for the teachers by clicking on set teacher limit. Here is the only one teacher available right now, But if we add multiple teacher for the respective school, then we can see the uh, these teachers here, and we principal can set the limit for this those teachers. As we can see, the limit is 20, but we have a principal assigned only 2 lectures, so total assigned lectures are shown here. So this is the assigned lecture count. Hmm. And principal can update the limit for the respective teacher, as like I will update it with 10 and click on save button. Weekly teacher limit updated successfully. Click on timetable button. System will redirect us to the timetable panel. Now principal can reset the timetable by just clicking on reset timetable. In short, the delete. Principal can delete all this timetable whatever is set for the respective level and class by just clicking on reset timetable button. If I click on this button, then we will check this for another level or class. If we have added the timetable, no timetable added for the class level and class. Okay, we will add it. I just have to add the one, like first of all I have to add the timing, that is start and end timing for the particular day, that is Monday. Now I will add the lecture for the respective day, add period, and assign. Now we can see this reset timetable button. If we click on reset timetable button, then this assigned timetable will get deleted. Let's check it out. Click on reset timetable button. Are you sure you want to reset all fields of this timetable? Yes, do it. Okay. See, all these added lectures, they get deleted. Like this, principal can reset the timetable for any class, any level for which he already added the timetable. Okay, thank you.